Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a kitchen essential that can elevate your cooking and baking experience, the Bellemain stainless steel mixing bowls with airtight lids set. We discovered this fantastic product online, and you can find the link in the description below to check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Bellemain mixing bowls set? This set includes 3 premium quality mixing bowls, each crafted from thicker gauge, heavy-duty stainless steel. These bowls are designed to last, resisting dents, rust, and stains, making them a reliable choice for your everyday cooking and baking needs. Whether you're mixing batter for a cake or prepping ingredients for a salad, these bowls maintain their shape and integrity. One of the standout features of this set is the airtight lids that come with each bowl. These lids are not just a bonus, they play a crucial role in keeping your food fresh and preventing spills. Imagine marinating meats, storing leftovers, or even proofing dough, all without worrying about your food going stale or making a mess in your refrigerator. The airtight seal ensures your ingredients are well preserved, making this set incredibly versatile for various kitchen tasks. Another fantastic feature is the non-slip silicone base. We all know how frustrating it can be when bowls slide around on the countertop while you're trying to mix ingredients. With the Bellemain mixing bowls, you won't have that problem. The secure silicone base keeps the bowls firmly in place, allowing for easier and cleaner food prep. Whether you're whisking, tossing, or kneading, these bowls will stay put, giving you the stability you need for effective mixing. This set includes 3 versatile sizes: 1.5 quarts, 3 quarts, and 5 quarts. The 1.5 quart bowl is perfect for smaller tasks like making sauces or dressing. The 3 quart bowl is your go-to for everyday mixing needs, while the generous 5 quart bowl is ideal for larger recipes, such as dough for bread or salads for a crowd. Each bowl is clearly labeled with its capacity, making it easy to select the right size for your specific task. Plus, they're designed to fit standard refrigerator racks and cabinets, helping you save space. The Bellemain mixing bowls set is perfect for a wide range of people. Whether you're a novice cook, a seasoned baker, or someone who simply enjoys preparing meals for family and friends, these bowls will enhance your kitchen experience. They also make a thoughtful gift for housewarmings, weddings, or any special occasion, thanks to their sleek design and practical application. Let's talk about some practical use cases. If you love baking, you can mix your batter in one of these bowls, cover it with the airtight lid, and simply place it in the fridge for later use. If you're prepping for a big family meal, use the larger bowl for salads or pasta, and store any leftovers securely. The nesting feature of these bowls also means they won't take up much space in your cabinets, making them a practical addition to any kitchen. Cleaning up after cooking can sometimes be a chore, but with the Bellemain mixing bowls, you don't need to worry. These bowls are dishwasher safe, allowing for easy cleanup after your culinary adventures. They are also freezer safe, adding to their functionality for long-term storage. In conclusion, the Bellemain stainless steel mixing bowls with airtight lids set is an essential tool for anyone who enjoys cooking and baking. With their durable construction, airtight lids, non-slip bases, and versatile sizes, they truly cover all your kitchen needs. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.